McDonald's agreement. Do you have the Sanders file for me?
Yeah. Your phone!
No. Is it okay?
Let me get a McDick too. Let me get a McDick too. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Know how you earn the title World's Best Mom? By starting each day with a perfectly balanced mug of I've got this.
Mom!
To be on top of your mom game,
Nailed it. Thanks so much.
you need a balanced coffee you can drink throughout the day.
Good girl.
McCafe coffees brew a smooth blend for a taste that's not too strong, but never weak. So you can savor every sip knowing you are matriarch supreme.
Mommy's not a napkin, honey.
McCafe, available where you buy groceries.
I grew up on the farm. It's my life. Every summer, that's all I did was work on the farm, and I love it. Love it, love it. Farming's just a way of life. It's not just that it is a family business. You get to literally see your hard work grow. When I told my dad I wanted to be a potato farmer, he thought I was crazy. He tried to talk me out of it. When I finished college with a nursing degree and became a registered nurse, he kept telling me, "You have a good job in town. Why would you want to come back and risk everything every year to farm?" And so now I'm a full-time potato farmer and a part-time nurse. We take a lot of pride in not only growing potatoes, but growing the quality that McDonald's wants. You know, you tell people that our potatoes go and make McDonald's French fries. They're like, "Really? Those are the best fries." Yeah. I'm just grateful to my dad for not only instilling the work ethic in me, but for allowing me to follow my dreams and follow in his footsteps. I wouldn't trade this life for anything. It's what I love.
Know how you earn the title World's Best Mom? By starting each day with a perfectly balanced mug of I've got this.
Mom!
To be on top of your mom game,
Nailed it. Thanks so much.
you need a balanced coffee you can drink throughout the day.
Good girl.
McCafe coffees brew a smooth blend for a taste that's not too strong, but never weak. So you can savor every sip knowing you are matriarch supreme.
Mommy's not a napkin, honey.
McCafe, available where you buy groceries.
It's a showdown, a throwdown, a Happy Meal tussle. Ant versus octopus. Who has the most muscle? It's 8 versus 1. Ant beats all the odds. He scores apples and milk, then flexes his quads.
What time is it? Adventure time! Everybody kick it!
You can get the party started with a mind-bendingly cool toy in your McDonald's Happy Meal.
This is gonna be awesome!
Can I please have the McDonald's?
What? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Is there an opening I can put it through? Tear down this wall! Can you hear that I brought you? Can you see the food? I'm trying to push it through, but can you? Here, I got this food for you.
Thank you.
How did you get married? Go. Stop going. Come on! What?
That was really impressive. You know, he's very talented.
Angry Birds are coming to McDonald's. Just order, scan, and earn awesome Angry Birds power-ups. Flock together and let fun fly.